Hello guys. So we are starting our journey from Bangalore to Kailasgiri Hills. Right now time is 4:30 a.m. and we are starting now. Today first part of the road is as same as my previous video, the journey to Dandikanahalli Dam. So I will show you guys from where the road is new. Kailasgiri Hills in Chintamani, and the distance is almost 50 km from Bangalore. So it is also one day journey and you can return by noon. Hello guys, good morning. So now time is 6 a.m. and this road is also new. You guys can see the sun is rising from my right side and we have to follow this road straight. Just see guys, that small hill and sunrise is looking awesome. The scenery is really nice here. On my left this awesome scenery and on my right that small hill which we saw at the sunrise time. So we are at Chintamani now. In front of us one petrol pump is there. Before that we have to take left and we have to go towards the hill. From here we have to take left. Where's Chandrada going? Okay, we have to follow this road only. So the scenery of this road is really awesome. I liked it. On my right you guys can see one lake is there and after that those hills are starting. So it's really good. So guys, from here we have to take right and then again go straight. Guys, this road is really enjoyable. Top of those hills are fully covered with fog. Fog or cloud? I think fog. Okay, so this road is leading to that hill. You guys will really enjoy to the full if you guys come with bikes. Look at those curves on the road. The whole road to the top of the hill, it will be like this curve only, I think. So in the corners also you guys will really enjoy it. If you love of cornering, then this is the road for you. Come and visit. Oh, the sky is really looking amazing. Can we take a break here just to see the sightseeing? Okay, I think Chandravaya don't want to stop here. Okay, let's go. Look at the scenic beauty here. I'm really enjoying and the cornering. Ooh, I'm loving it. Ooh, it's really enjoyable, man. I want to enjoy the view from top of that hill. Oh, when we can reach there. So guys, from here we will take left for go to that hill. Otherwise if you go straight, there is one temple. Also parking lot is also there. Okay guys, so here the scenery is really beautiful. So we'll take one stop here and we'll click some pictures and we'll show you guys the view from here. It's really amazing. Actually I am parking my bike on top of this rock because I want some picture with my bike also. That's why I am parking my bike here. So guys, look at this scenery now. The clouds in sky and all the surroundings is really looking very nice. I'll put one of my clicked picture in this so you can understand better, because that quality will be good. So guys, again we are ready to start our journey from here. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so we are taking another stop because you guys can see this scenery. It's really awesome. So I need to show you guys this look, this view is really nice. The weather is also cloudy, so this scenery is looking very nice with the clouds also. It's really feeling nice. So guys, you can see which hill we are going, that is also covered in fog. That's really feeling good. So guys, scenery at my right side, it's really good. Just wait, I need to stop. This is okay, here I can take the stop. So here's this scenery. Okay. So guys, as you can see, the road is fully off-road. Mine is not off-roading bike, but I really love off-roading, so I am trying with my bike only. But if you guys having one off-roading bike, just come here, you guys will definitely enjoy that. So guys, we finally reached our destination. Here we have to park our bikes. So guys, I faced some issue in the off-roading time. I had to drive my bike in first gear only. So let's go now. So guys, road to the mountain is there. So this is Kailasagiri hill. Okay, here's one temple is there on my left. So guys, we climbed almost 30% of that hill. Oh, as you can see, it's fully fog and We are getting tired also for climbing. We need to go up ahead. So guys, this is the top of the mountain. We finally reached. Here you can see all the surroundings. The weather is really foggy. I don't know fog or cloud, but it's really enjoyable, man. And wind is really good. So nice, so nice. Somewhere cloud is moving, and we can look at the city. This is like one ending point of the mountain at mountain's right side. Oof, you guys can't believe the view, the feeling. Just come. Guys, here's one temple at top of the mountain. This one is Lord Shiva's temple, as you can see. I can't show you inside because I'm wearing shoes and all the riding gears, so I can't open them now. So if you guys want to visit the temple also, you can go. So guys, this is the view from the last point of this hill, Kailasagiri. This is the last point of this hill. Look at this view, guys. You can really enjoy. Yes, I am really enjoying this. And as you can see, this Kailasagiri hill is at the top. This is the biggest amongst here, because all the hills I can see is smaller than this. So guys, look at those roads on the mountains. We came through that road only. Some guys are also returning, as you can see on bike. Wait, I'm zooming. Yeah, see, some bikes are going. We came from that road only. Some guys already returning. Okay guys, so we came down from that hill, so it's time to return. It's looking good now. Sun is also above our head, so you guys can see better view now. And we'll go at another temple on the road, so let's go with us. So guys, another temple which we're gonna see, that is our beyond destination point. So that temple is what I can say, in a cave. So you guys will really gonna amaze. That temple is good. So let's go to that point. So guys, here we are. We have to park our bike here, and that temple or cave, whatever you can say, is on our left. So we'll park our bike here and go to the left. Okay guys, so here's the scenery. You can see it's really good, and we came from this road. Okay guys, so I am fast forwarding this video because all the door is locked for the temple. I don't know which time it will open, but now it is locked, so we can't go inside. But whatever I know, the inside is really good. Definitely we'll try this next time. So guys, this is the time to say goodbye. Wait for my next video, another exciting place.